Another supplement that I consider essential and wouldn't be without is an omega-3 supplement. Now, the omega oil story is quite complicated, so I'll try and keep it as simple as I can. Basically, omega-3 and omega-6 oils are called the essential fatty acids, and that's because they are essential in our diet because we can't make them ourselves. We need both, and they are absolutely necessary to manufacture healthy cells in the body. So all the cells in the body need them, including brain cells, nerve cells. So brain function is absolutely dependent on having enough omega oils. Omega-6 is quite plentiful in our diets. It's in nuts and seeds and commonly used vegetable oils, whereas omega-3 is less common. It's mostly found in fatty fish, oily fish like salmon or mackerel or herring. It also comes from some plant sources. A source of omega-3 is also flax oil. Now that contains a slightly different fatty acid to what we find in fish, and that needs to be converted into the oils we find in fish in our bodies, and it's not a very efficient conversion. So if you're using flax oil as an omega-3 supplement, you need to have an awful lot of it to get as much as you would from fish. Now it's important to supplement omega-3 because it seems that the ratio of omega-6 to omega-3 is absolutely crucial to our health. It should be about 1:1 to 2:1, 6:3. But in the modern diet, it often is somewhere between 10:1 and 20:1. And that high ratio of 6:3 has been implicated in many, many problems. Most of them seem to have an underlying problem with inflammation, but we're talking about problems like diabetes, heart disease, Alzheimer's disease, memory loss, digestive problems, a whole host of things when we have too much 6 and not enough omega-3s. So a lot of us do need to supplement, but fish isn't always an option for everyone. And we don't want to eat too much oily fish because many of the oily fish supplies are polluted, particularly with heavy metals. So a lot of people will be wanting to supplement. So it's fish oil or flax oil. But having dug around, there seems to be another source of good omega-3 oils, which is an algal source. There are algae that actually make the same omega-3 that we find in fish oils, and that seems to be a really good potential source for supplements. And I believe there are some supplements that are made from these algae. So I'll be looking out for those, and I'll be interested to know what kind of omega supplementation you use, if any at all. And I'll speak to you tomorrow.